Shikilia.
Njia atapanda yake pale. Daktari ni washi.
You know long term?
You know long term.
Iweko polea.
Makofi tena.
CHPs baiki ya ngapa na mtu baba kale tiende kwa kama no. Makofi mengine kwa CHPs. Hiyo makazi ya long term. Na maana kama no two term. Yaani ati wewe habari za ngopo yao. Asante sana. Ndio picha kama naweza kupanda hapa pale. Tone hiyo mtingine pale. Okay. Yes.
There's a new one in Operation Origo. Then the stores, the mail wall, and the other place is maternity female. Let us just do dental, storage, and then finish up with the theater. then the board.
Makofi kwa DG naye.
The signing book, the mark plate,
Na ndi uma ngapana kavidia katuka kidogo tuka 2-3 facilities zingine nisaidia ageta ki dental clinic source mero one then na theater
Dento ina nderu uro mieri ithatu.
Dento ya mayo ina nderu mieri ithatu uri ngapana aliku na mero ward mieri ithatu na theater ile tedereo kaire ato. Yes, najua. Asante sana. So daktari anaweza kutuongoza pale kidogo kwa dakika ikai. Na nikimtagua pia chairman wa facility hii GK. Yes. GK kwa GK Kenoti kana K iteo Kenoti. Twende hapo.
Bwana Gavana, hii tulianza na tumekuja kununua the machines and everything. Our whole collections here.
So these are eye clinic? No, these are dental. These are dental chair. You have the dental chair?
Wow. Maybe you can say something briefly.
They are 3 months old and doing well. The first month we received 4 July, the second month we received 50, and the third month we received 75%.
Wow.
So we are very positive. So some of the services that we offer here, we do teeth extraction, full mouth filling, breast counseling, hair education, permanent filling, and other basic preventive services for dental.
3 months in operation.
Yes. 3 months.
Out of your own collection here.
Exactly, sir.
This is commendable. This is pure.
We are good for that.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
And the officer, you are here or you are brought here when the machine came?
I came when the machine came.
Okay. From?
I was studying at St. Anne Mission.
You were employed by the board.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
employed by the
Employees, when you want to see our union.
This is good chair.
Wonderful. We go to the stores.
Good job.
Kazi safi. Kazi safi.
nguvu za
Kabisa. Yeah,
tukiongea, we know exactly what you are talking about.
Eh,
The procurement officer who is also here is an above DOM employee. The procurement officer. She's the one who ensures that everything which comes to the host so that we can have accountability.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, she is here.
I'm
talking about her.
Hospitali ya serikali zinafanya kazi.
Hospitali ya serikali inafanya kazi. Yeah, we are an example of a working institution.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
you are. You are.
Thank you.
Starting with the boat.
Toka live sasa. Na wenyewe tujua hapa.
Hiyo gari imepakia wapi? Melo.
So it's a serious hospital.
This is the site, so we have it. When the renovation goes, then we can come up with this.
Actually, as we're talking, our superintendent, Nico, and office, the office here, because that is more important to have the sales board and these are nationally, but we took up as a new block in the next building,
This board initiative.
And also, I say here also is figure support sana hapa.
Long term.
Office here, superintendent, so
So going that way is also
It's an extra.
You can't have done all these within the weekend. One day on Sunday yesterday. There is a lot for other managers, board management to learn from this hospital. And, this is good, Chair.
And we thank you going for the new super medical superintendent.
Yeah.
He has picked up so well. I think he was able to be able to attend to school.
Yes.
Very happy.
He is 3 months old.
No.
3 weeks.
In the medical injury, we have the shit as a good.
Okay. All the best, Secretary. We hope you continue with this excellent work. Yeah, we hope so.
Actually, God gives the best. Okay, to go and let them
Sure.
better than the
Right.
Bible.
So support him
We are so expectant.
as a board. Support him. Yeah, it looks very promising. Yeah. Yeah. We go to theater.
Governor. This is historic.
Yes. So you've done 2 operations. We wanted to make sure that it is operational, so that once you open, we don't close again to this something else. So you can already prove that it's operational, and that it has done 2 operations, and we will request you kindly to open it for us, and Madam over here. Thank you. Yeah.
So we start from there or here?
From there.
So they get up and tunakata tufungue.
Okay.
Haya.
Nijishikilia kwa chairman. Na mheshimiwa Makasi.
Makasi kwa
sasa imeshikiliwa na gavana deputy Makasi na chairman TK. Na chairman wa health committee na waziri wa health. Asante sana.
We open this theater so that it can be of a great blessing to the people of this community and the entire Meru populace. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Yes. Asante sana. I think I want to proceed and then unveil the plaque here. Yes.
Digi. And Mheshimiwa Makasi. Just we stand there and check. Again, we unveil this play to commemorate the opening and operationalization of this theater on this date of 17th November 2025. In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, you may take care of it.
Where is this is the reception.
Your Excellency, this is the reception for the theater. We receive our patient from there, and then we add them to the theater staff. And then from there we have the main theater, the operational theater, and the recovery room, and other details of the theater. So that we request Your Excellency and the Deputy, our Excellency, Chief, and the Daktari to make it possible for the Excellency to tour the theater.
Okay.
Yeah, please leave the Daktari.
Infection na receipt pia na lipina.
Okay.
once he has done the
I think 3 months ago, right? 3 months ago.
Yes. What 8 million? What 8 million?
Yes.
So we really appreciate that. We really appreciate that because what is not for you is not able to do this. And also the finalizing of some of the renovations. Yes, finalizing of some of the renovations. But the Secretary machine and the machine here we've done as the board. But the chairman is
Actually, it was not for the that 80 million could not have been very sure. And actually, I know in many patients, some of the people have been told that they have started, they moved these surgeries. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. We have, I want to say that this project was started 2009. That's when the theater was started 2009. So you can see now, we told this book, they get better after all 3 governors. I'm not saying we did nothing, but they tried. But now,
They laid the foundation.
And these those are the other things. But we don't want that perhaps give the land. That means information.
This is extremely commendable. First, for the staff who are serving our people here, this is wonderful. The collaboration that is there between the board and service providers who are workers, this is beautiful. This is bringing health services closer to our people, and this is our number 1 agenda as county government. And we really want to appreciate. We know that you have issues, you have challenges, especially for staffing. You are not like you have all the kind of officers that you wish to have. That is why, as a county government, we've prioritized first recruitment of staff, healthcare givers, and soon we are going to replenish our hospitals with new staff. All cadres are going to be recruited, and also continue giving more opportunities to our staff who are sacrificing, especially on the issues of welfare. We know that whatever you do, whatever sacrifice you're making, we must also appear to appreciate, as the government, appear to appreciate and demonstrate that we are appreciating the services that you're giving to our people. We've a budget for you. We are going to promote you, even if it will not be enough for all of you, but we must indicate that we have a goodwill to support our and that we must do. The second thing is to equip our hospitals with the medical equipment and also support
supplies of drugs, and that is something that is very close to my heart as the governor, to our collective, agenda as the government of men. And generally, we want to transform men. We want to transform men, especially in terms of service delivery, and we are there. Bwana Makasi, thank you. I know you are very deliberate. As the chair of budgets in the assembly, you are very deliberate, and I know that with the chair of health, by God's grace, you both happen to come from this constituency, and I know how focused you are, how deliberate, how intentional you are, especially in this critical department of health. This year we've surpassed the health budget, and it took the biggest share in terms of budgetary allocation, 1.9 B from the county allocation, from FIF another 1.1 billion. So it's almost coming to, if you do the total, it's almost 2 billion. Yes. That is only for exchequer. For exchequer is 1.9, then from FIF another 1.1. Yeah. Yes. So brings it up to around 3. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see how we are moving. We are very deliberate. We are not like guessing. We exactly know what we want to achieve. First, achieve a joy of our staff. Then the freedom. We want to release our staff to enjoy serving the public. And that is where we are, and part of the joy is to be equipped, be well remunerated, welfare looked into, and that is why, as a county, we are very, very keen to ensure that we deliver that which we promised the people of Meru. We know once these staff are happy, once these staff are properly kitted, once these hospitals are equipped, then we are going to have a very healthy community. And then a health community, healthy workforce. Out there, we are going to deliver on agriculture, we are going to deliver in education, deliver in the revenue collection, deliver in all these aspects of economy. Simply because health sector is well taken care of. So we are there, and we are moving. And I hope you've seen, baby steps. We've started moving, and we are not stopping. And you think here, people want to Kenya, and we are very happy that the staff. What is exciting me the most, when the rest of the nursing or medical healthcare providers across the country, they're better on strike. Our team here, all what you want, you remain at work. That's a sacrifice. It's a sacrifice. On demand on my part. It's a sacrifice because of you. And that I'm going to do. Thank you. This is lovely. Chair with your board. I've not seen this in other facilities, so this is quite exactly. On board, and Toba prioritizes could not China, Mandras, and the children of the chairman go with Tauterin, because that is what. If you know with the Chavatura, you chairman, you told them to discuss your other idea. Rabokai, go discuss your taking. Okay, we are going to the issue is very good, but then they are bold that Kinyo Kaudia alama ya kuona ni kwenda board of management in that hospital. But they kuona better exchequer. Gato better government kato tere trikari bago bira pokon bira timu ikona uni gochule diora pakona manatan for allowances, but we can see what the board is doing, what you are doing, we can see. Okay, there are no over these medical equipment. Then we are doing very well.
Maybe we could also appreciate our AMP, let attention on time, and you are giving us some of the things. We got that we don't have Kiaposana. I appreciate.
So I wonder.
No equipment, it to hire.
So camps also supply equipment? Do they supply equipment?
They do. Not just drugs.
When are we equipment?
They supply.
Imagine that part, but we are given some medicine, and we highly appreciate. What's called medical model.
Yes. And the pharmacy, a private pharmacy. The thing is that regarding bowels here, now. Very good.
There's also more the 20 million from the national resources.
Yes.
Number. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. We are working.
What was the plan?
Daktari, I sent you the document that you wanted us to do for you.
Yes. I sent the things here for the PQs. And we sent the things here for the PQs. Because I remember and a female ward that was. Yes.
Actually, it was issue is for
yes.
both male
and female.
And no more what?
The normal ones. The BQs were. It is the HO.
Yes.
Yes, I sent the teams. I sent the teams here.
So
Yes. Yes.
So you've completed filling your cards so
yes.
that we can give them back to give.
We did.
To send to the ministry.
We did, yes. We did.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, we have a reception. Once the patient has been operated at home, this is where we were. In the nursing station.
Plus the ones are just done. Fine ones.
This morning, you'll get one phone.
Tonight, you know, and they started looking at it, by the way, because it's like 100% of the hospital. The occupants are prisoners. So they can check out. What you catch with the end, you
even the next time they are doing orders from the uniform part of the operation that we will have given them. Came some of our government season was the hospital.
And another thing that Is it there is a policy for our patients uniform, or every hospital decides on the kind, color, texture? Yes, I think most of the hospitals that we have visited, they are different.
They are different.
They are different.
There is no specific policy.
Yes.
The most important is for the material to be long-lasting and the material to be washable.
And I think now I also to use that extra wisdom of involve the ladies in choosing this. Involve the ladies. They will always think of 3D. Be a prisoner, but this is a full time. And you know that for prison, it is under certain cloth, material and color. It's like you doing the trouser with the blue, the green color of the green jungle, yes, for the army. You'll be arrested. So they can come and close this facility because of using their code.
Na This is the data team led by our next Sophia, Dr. Matuma, and our anesthetists.
Yes.
Pero Wapi kelele ya DJ? Asante sana. Wapi tu tamu ya Mutuma Ntwethigia? Wapi tu tamu ya William Samoei Ruto? Wapi tu tamu ya Kithure Kindiki? 1, 2, DJ twende kazi. Yes.
Mama see me planting. When I'm a daddy, 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 juggling. I feel rumors of war. Leave me so happy, son, let go me hand. You don't know me and you don't understand. See me flashing at which rain time. So you take that, be a criminal. Who was that spray? Hey, brother, said, see me planting. When I'm a daddy, 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 juggling. I feel rumors of war.
mwene inya murungu wa Kenya na Kenya baba nentuko yengendo ngiro to nenkere kumarokere na mwanka ichia nande mononkroki tuliaja ntuba maendeleo yetu ya sibitari eje ngayo mwega ibwega cyane ntubwanga bana wetu ulia wonete kuagirete edrwali amo na batwe mononkroki ne ntubwa gututethia na kuongera kinya intobiria bitendene ya sibitari eje Murungu totekori wakoromba kinyani utubwa mbondi ya sibitari eje iria yombete kwethwa metongeretie nemekaretie na itete nguge njega iria kuoneka nere tumete kinyanga bana wetu ethwale amo na batwe totekori wakoromba kinyana mbondi iria irunga merete sibitari yitu Murungu uroba dhalima urabotongeri uroba ume nainya ya gutongeria kana kumanenje sibitari eje itu Murungu tutekolerwa kuromba kinyani ntubwa CSPs vetu ba mashinani bari mwanzani bairiteta ntubwa guteria kirendege kegiyako itu Murungu baba gatwigerwe kiyao mononkro kiwe tonga irinya na wome nekenda ngugira tunenkeri otumekera kirendege ke kagita na kana Murungu tunenkerete na watu etekeria tudhithia wendi bwaku kinyaka gitakarekaga kinya kangaba na kumagara itu Murungu oro muthari maruetania nawe mono kuria etete nekenda kinyari na theria yaku nari wegene bwaku itu Murungu twaromba jauje ya makai rietu na Kristo mwathani wetu na rietu ria ithe na mutana na momokembu asi
ai wirigi mbona thoma iro batiri uwe ibatiri oi katekist ai kuthikeria undaigua asante sana gwate niru wetu inde turingeru wetu karibisanga bana le mwejaere ya dato rere renge karibu gavana.
Asante Dr. Bijiwe, asante Mheshimiwa Makasi na Mheshimiwa Muchoi Domiano, Chair wa Health. Asante DG, okalile nyume kwa. Asante board, asante staff. Mawaziri, tuwe na waziri wa Health ya Jan Dr. Dennis Mugambi. Na tuwe na waziri wa Agriculture aja Mheshimiwa Njanaru Gatanguge. Na tongeria bonda tuwe na chief tuwe wewe sasa tutasikiza ngavana ama ni kuuma masikio. Tuwe na waziri wa education Dr. Esther Rukunga. Tuwe na chief officer Dr. Mudhuri wa health na bobangi bonde na corona ya kuroba bega. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Turitane ingwe cha mwathani narua ni ntuko nene turiongete wadine ya nkwene na specifically tuyete kuona orantu betu bako ewa ogima bwa mwiri ndene ya masibitari yetu tuambiriria arankobo mapema GK hospital au nkobo tuona ora manto yetete au tuona challenges ireo tuona manto ya kuwiria mwananchi au na ndetweja mikombone ndethira manjabu ero uri akwe nawe manjabu kwe wote raua kote kuibwa wowe kana kote kwenda kuwa ero uri akwe nawe manjabu kwithira cibitari nteta marieto ya private be ya kuthwania gato teko gutambua cibitari cieto cia public kwithira cibitari ukara ya level 6 ntorene ya mikumbune kambwe kwithira cibitari ukara tere mutindwa ante kwenda kukweta marieto promote ira cheitha turenda promote yo chietu. This is very good. I'm very happy. Bombere kuwirwa ningugira staff yetu ya ugima bwa mwiri bakuita ene ya sibitari eje boya iri kuwirwa ningugire ya mandaktari yakwa ya mashinani yako idandene ntore eje mandaktari oye mandaktari oya babu boy kumuno mbwendrete tibo mbetete nyabwe oma ai nora ke bote me hago munta to sinda no gambuga babu ibokoga ibo munta bote ba munta kabu igairia baba ko munta na. I'm very happy with you and very proud. Boya that ndagwirwa mono ne mbondi ya management ya this hospital. Yani mbondi kabo kuura equipment boka andika aritingoge kuchinda para thirikari yandike tendene ya sibitari. Teka abantu bagegerwa mawa ba emoyo. Kana burenda rira kuroba mamiro bokuwa baba bwethete sibitari yeto mwire thai ero uri akwe mwire thai ndethera makasi o manjabu ano umenyerete sibitari akamithethera ndasoka ndatirimana na ngavana no menyerete ya Meru Buthongi kaba abubo ilika ingi bakuibwa bara benyuma ingi okuibwa we anabo gori ngavana ore ko ngavana akuira ngavana ore ankuira. Asante. Agenda ya Meru County Government bwambere ni kuhakikisha aritingoge betu ni kuhakikisha antoba Meru in general bari na afya njega. Ne unontokere budget era turabwithiti ya mwaka yo 2025 2026 mbecha ira twekirite cia kumenyera antobeto ba Meru na manto yogi mabwa mwiri na waka machibitari na kugura medical equipment na kugura ndawa chibitari ni 1.9 billion. Dr. Dennis yambira kwina mbecha ira na chotuthuranagia cia machibitari yetu almost 1.something billion. 1.1 billion, meaning mbia chionda ira tutumira kuhakikisha antoba Meru bakono gimabwa mwiri ni almost 3 billion. Dhaito kwaria kuma ndeko yokiangoge mieri muwanje thiri mwe nonto dayokirie mweri yoena. Neto tumerete 150 million kusprend kana kugura ndawa tukaikia machibitari. Mwanka ndereta mechema nione ndera anto ndawa chie sibitari bambera ito ngavanari. Utenda ndawa chie sibitari. Le umuntu ere aweta sibitari mieri ere thiri. Atigere sibitari tena ndawa mieri ere kariade. Bange bere aweta kuo mbuorera etere mwaka muthiru mweri wena. Neyo notion yeneo. Turenda kuira antobeto ne baliungire machibitari yetu and especially antoba mikumbune. Nde ya pharmacy yetu anda dhwania ni privately owned pharmacy non to yinandawa sia fast ni original eko ne ara woni ndakuma store era ndadhwania ni ndawa sia county chionde ire aunda erwari tena atu idha ndawa sia county yonde ndawa sia county yonde chithe cie na mutindwa cia sibitari ya mikumbune si antubeto gukundwa tumithega anturene ya mikumbune manto ute ya mega aritingoge beto. I'm very grateful non to boa sacrifice ira bokubwithia neu nonto mutumanto ethingia bangi tekinyabwe boa sacrifice non to boa kumenyera antoba Meru kinya thirikari ya mutuma eka sacrifice nontu bwenu tugategera welfare yenu, tugategera promotions chienu, tugategera pandiem kiri baraba wita training, tugategera refresher courses, tugategera kinya education baraba kwenda ku further your skills, ku improve on yourself. All this ni package ya gukwira wa bwithia bwega thirikari irione kuona no kubwithia bwega itukwelea no mandaktari sawa sawa na nteto ite ti obuwiria ni nteto chiama watch this space kenda na werero ku cover space kana kanya kantu batano kirita ngugi mathaki nya yara otebatire wita ukamenya kwina ngavano ku appreciate your sacrifice. Unanipata? Kwina ngavano ku appreciate your sacrifice. No twithire tutumba kubwithia mantu yonde at once, but tukambriria na baby steps, tukambriria wita ku indicate na ku demonstrate that itokuona ne atia staff pa kubwithia non to bantu ba meru muno staff ba health, and I really appreciate mantu ya barabara ntearia muno itukubwithia barabara, mantu ya thoko itukubwithia thoko, mantu ya education into ito kundia twana turutura twa ECD nito waka classes education ari muba ECD turabaritere kuma 2013 first devolved function unit sian county government bandikirwa na ngiri muwanja kwambiriria January mwarimu wena ndigiri urora ria wangiri muwanja ari uma kuma ngiri muwanja ete ngiri 56 manto ya agriculture ne botone te tokira anto ne bande mite ya avocado ne toande coffee ne toande macadamia ne toande imerabirabie na value. You can imagine okethira kangavana area mwaka yo 20 yura mite ya ndirwe yawa ne toande mite avocado tuithira to ori kwingavana kurukirire omba kwithira yura kwamba kwetha kwe mukuru mume 1990 60 iyo kabere uyo ndire ona ya munka yo uga tyo siara bwe kabere imendume kana kaya yire ko wata na leta ya mbiriya engrafting na nde you can imagine bwana GK ate imite matunda yiko togemetie nio this compound okethera wowe ukarinde megitina kya kiembe kikawa ya kuringa ukayogio kambiria wekira vitamin C ukambiria wekira vitamin C mwili ke avocado kikawa ya kuringa ukambiria wekira vitamin C na nutrient inge mwili beyond the nande bado to preach kire institutions yetu cia thirikari bwana makasi nonto wina mivokando nitumeande kuanda kire compound cia ECD centers tuande mite ya matunda nikenda twithira twina value kinya institutions ikona some income na kinya ana bakaria na kinya asierira boiku tukethiri tukuruma matunda utotoro kinya gituke kiembengo kita wangu kiembengo kitiritwe kinya gitogiriwe na kika inject vitamin C mwili yeda wangu ntoka kana ntonga embe togeta ngo gimenti ne ntoka point iran kwenda ku make ne ate we are moving forward na ito ambiriretie kurota iroto bi nene bia meru na kurota ora meru ikaethra yena sete kurota ora tugethra twina level 6 isbitari ara mutindo kurota ora tugethra twina nduo current kuma makutano ya mwea mwanka makutano ya mutindo kurota ora tugethra twina thoko era nene kabisa ndene Kenya ya milioni 800 na araga koromone kurotora ng'ombe sieto ikamuntwa sindano vaccines ya lump skin disease, foot and mouth disease. Kurotora ng'ombe sieto igekirwa 67 sieto mwari yake kuma ngiri nyanya mwanka ngiri 1 na mana yana kurotora tukabwithia economy ya Meru. Korota ero ore agwe nawe korota te sawa. So ntekwenda kwaria muno no ntutweta kurura class kia isindi. I wish to give that way mapema kenda twarangia indi narua. I'm very happy kuona issues ira tubatire kubutethia bwana NGK na kinya kuona nara mbomba gutuma the hospitals ike ya kubwithia benchmarking nikenda balan from the best nda ukumara thieta uwenda thwania nte kwenda obwira inani nda thwania ni mutindo aga andumire tho mutindo no ndendo tumira wingi. That is excellent in terms of cleanliness, in terms of quality work. I'm very impressed. Mwaka yo 2027 antu barimbira ngavana wowe nontu utekumenya siasa boya wowe tigira arume baraba ichi siasa boya barimbira kwe arume baraba ichi siasa boya bambira we watela nusu eme yake ere umire otiere ne merungu yao ogero owe ngavana owe utera kama boe anto murume boe yawo karia meru kamero ego ndo garwa nan kariunga ga nai matumo imba ni mandaktari yako ndeku iroto bibo kwenda biendelea kinya 2027 kwa riama buru asante che anjige yare mbere ibwe buwa na ingwete kaniria obwe so woni yara kente bwithie kurumana ni guchitithia that no tuigwe gavana nande no ere murungu wa meru ari iguru uthe murungu wa meru inde murungu wa meru aina ari iguru so baraba bakarira gete boy ya to small gods owa batira kwetha we servant wantu tego itia kilingo na kukurira meru na kubaruma na kuboni ora bate kumenya ote ume kao muntu ena bwawe level ewe na meru batire kwa respect o muntu agaye heshima rea yawe teu tego enda kwaria muno nende kabombera 2027 bogamba kura njeshi nende bogua njeshi nende gua itu tam staff babu meibwe bwana chama ngavana babu bwinteto muno kwanza baba afya ibogo menyora bwaringire meri mwanja bwe strike genda muntu fulani ana so babu buri wada itu tam asante thank you Mheshimiwa Makasi yukia mic karibisha kuruba aja
haya sawa wala wala ngabana mbere ya mayo go murungu yukio kumye bunde Vanessa asibiwe eno ndunya wangabana okinya kwe ngabana ngebona hospitali so mbere mango chokere nkado ngabana ni gukinya hospitali eje no ndute ngabana ngetuone eje tiaja na nguchokere nkado ni gumpainya na kugura intobira tombeta kugura bya eje so tumiriera ngwana bota no ni hospitali mekombone ina theater operational theater lewe yako bumanyinyi turathirie the second delivery Syrian aja ndene theater eje kwa wantu batinda gutakuraja na theater ora ikari hospitali ile ingi kari no we kari na tuena ndento kwa maigo aja tuena ndento kwa maigo tuena kwa fesio kwa wantu batinda gutakuraja babu kwanja GHPs bajo ndo bakwa muromojo yo tambe ani muromojo ko enyabu nje yako kwa matatu ba tambe muromojo ko kana sibitari yetu kwa mchokere nkadho burugu bwana gavana ni umetufanya vizuri na ntu baba ko te arongo ombo gwari abo kona te kabate kuigua abetha bagitete agamo ko mantu yaku bagitete ebugete mutuma twithingito tamwingana bana boke ya munene okiromba kura utebangi okethera so ingo recognize presence in John Gikunda, the former Gasra na bwana Niki areaja ntiko megadano bangete tinko na dai chitire mono maybe waseme tu jambo moja recognize wamekuwa mbele yangu na mimi nawaheshimu sana. Karibu John.
Thank you Mheshimiwa Makasi. Gavana karibu Mikumbune. It is true kute mtu ongeo step aja a support hospitali. Viete undambirite 2005. Niki yako eja aga support. Areithirekeria. Inyanga abana baenwe you never got support. Ibwega nuntu bo support Makasi. Tondo kana te support yo ba umwete viete gwitinde thira. It is over 12 years. Nangu yere ka ba wiruguma. Kameteji the bond cannot GK. We are very happy. Today can rest. Tondo nandi bijanto ba Mikumbune bakugitata ba ukarabwega. Tere amengeni gavana ankwere you get support no kaiguo gua ibiote no ina akikithima wana matina kana ambigite utinda ko will give you support sasa so kaiguo gua watindo kera ndo arome ba uganga ne after mwanga nini tuko kwa ground na tuwao support finally utaka gavana taka kamujira kagura kakali kategero kakali umbro watu ikira kagurori na mwanga nyireni watu thithirie watu ni issues nyingine au angibwata na Dr. Chandra Tumwiti tuitana na daktari Ngugi atura endete hotel hospitali eje akaka goodwill and I'm very happy now wewe bwatani tena jumbe hii hospitali.
Thank you Mheshimiwa. Can confirm ari nteko gita program yako gita te kwa ni Makasi kan kwenda confirm Mheshimiwa akuga Dr. Mwiti na rombere te hospitali eje ibokurikana ntearia ntetongono ntearia ngono muthenya Dr. Mwiti na romberete cibitari milioni 30. Tebo yako menya? Ibo yako menya? No wethere nyote utiendete Dr. Mwiti. Lakini ende kaomba kuthora milioni 30 cie yete ha? Omba kuthora? Tanga mutu oguyo tebui. Amwena kwethera Ngugi ya health ni county. Ngwataniro era twene ona ajumbe baba county assembly na ajumbe ba national government na senator Kathuri Murungi na president William Ruto na deputy president Githure Kindiki ni kureta utonga ndene ya Meru. Dr. Mwiti na rombete milioni 30 kuma ke ministry ya health amwe mbesa ira tubangite gwikira Dr. Mwiti na injected 30 million. Era ore akwe na wa 30 million. Mwera renge 30 M. Teyo ngwatha na otokwenda loi. Nande tutua ni rambu na tutethukania ingwatano and development. Thank you my brother.
Mheshimiwa akwiri bwega na nkwire will give you support na miaka ewe tigero kaigwe no gwa. Vioro kamero yonde. Kila pahali na ndio wetete oruko kurugura kirasi tuthiririe inya polytechnic Mheshimiwa na akumarira ara daru please athirie Makasi ona akumarira nyakiromba kura atirisi thena gintu kiambio na market tukere Mikumbune ari tucokeri wifi library ni na romba ja maingi ukandekera ene twagwitari kuthirikiria another project Mikumbune primary aja arambe ya kuthithia ndambere tio that time kira uraga ni gundi weru ya Lindas. Sasa Kathuri ndende daktari is doing it and you are doing it and we are sure obo kariyo pogeta fa ngaya kutharime na kuonekanire. Thank you.
Asante.
Excellent na enya John ugantegera we akangaika munene nya urio akangaika eso na kauni bereniki kuna kauni na arwaji lakini arwaje kwa mke ile ndo tutoke inange kajua kabo.
Okay, antoka kama metobo na mugani On wanangavana ntosi introduciano ntotokalanje siere. Kereni nande no idio biakwa nande tokalavo ibombe tare akwa thokwa akwa ndo kwa kikisha manto ja oge jama no ge kirogwa ende no kwana kaija kwa juro kana makasi era makasi sikretera kuri kuringa no juro kana chia eje no mano juro kete constituency mwembene ngau wangete ake makasi ali kula makasi ala MCO ro ngeli ku Kinyabole tomba tomeria na iwondi na jangwa ndo kwela waja kwigwenya tomato kolingo to compensate jau itwende tamutongerio lo kaja ogwe no ade aja ojo arambe outside ya egoro kwenta mala temye ke galine echo muntu gwetu ageteka na te kwa kwa ya tete ata different my friend timwe
wego de arwaji bari bo bagedia amashimwa dora morasta ora twale nana gari no kumona ora wa Roma
mogorona confirm ro nyin Dr. Manja awa anto banto rai baba ume aure rwa georia na ge choni ore mwana go gichogia ora ge kwendekana kabisa.
Thank you so much.
Jikawe na njeshi nyezu vitali.
His Excellency naje inaonja kwa mbere ma His Excellency kan kuirega untu uitanako na ndrera kiraituko nakinya wangu chokerie kona barabange bari mbere kanywa kau karejaga sakramenti o kau gekaira sakramenti mwere kagaita kirumi bau bange baru mana bonde kanywa kau kakaro itakirumi tokandio na bau na kinya areo karo rumwa ukairumanira batwe tote oninte amuri ndakaneria bau na ni na kore ontonkera ntobara jonto ko baba thoka na irumi guchogotha ngabana barenda bachokagiria ngabana ukaro bachokeria na ngabana kinya wona tokiri kinyoko na tokiri na aja totekwaria antoba uba menye bona njoka etete na keutaka ekewete kero kona njoka etete na keutaka ekewete kayo mbiore na ebona tokiri bakona ya njoka etete na keu antobara bae na ara tuamba kuba match 1 for 1 tubera tukabera na Kiarabu na Kihindi na bingi na ego inogokere tutigere ngugi na kinya ona mtu murume aronga makirengo na kana mukauga jara jataugwa no kure mwente kumenya no mwirite aririe kure kwa nekwa o unaririe kure we imwe kore antu bange nchokete kuona mitandao na ngugi ya ikuruma ke they can't sustain an argument. They can't sustain any form of logic. Ibero atere tuete takondikiria indo ya mundu na weru na ingwete kia mero ina antoba kuona weru nkoro kia bau bare mundu ne kabana reda oninga atigana na agwe irere oke janga mbuti saudimenti au ni ato ga atiganira kana rere oke jana mpempe wa berio tothimera na biembo ngabana nga utangaza thadita na tutigana na agwe to facilitate koritangoge twekera ndoje toritengoge tothitherie polytechnics ndakachia tochiete polytechnics ngabana tothitherie setera tothire thoko gakoromona tonara tothithia mantu jetu tothitherie paka usecheto cha mabokando tonara tondia mabokando oni ntekwenda kurunga maganjirene beterete muchiacha ndienda ngabana ombe empower na we empower ntu baba nda kinya mbucheri nkomba kwigurira nyama chiakwa nkaniria mwekoro that is the pride of a man tembe taira ngombe kwa ntore na ile igoja gambe ta kukoba nyama ira tutere jaga ngabana empower antu basa obimenti tombe gwetaga mbuchere muntu akaigurira kanyama kae tutega chieta bakedenji
na riu gote mtu na uwezo wa gukia kinya tutumbo njara mokora tethekete twethia twarume na gututhitheria manto jara jaga twethia antu bari na uwezo. Gavana manto jaja okuigwa gavana akiorwa ni antu baire bathatu ndienda kuburia ujo atane bara baikene geko na ikuru bara baikene geki itwe tukugitwa mbecha igeta nara national mbecha ira buge wa thirikari ciumete majani-ine ciumete riene ciumete kaogene ciumete biashara-ine turekeria ni Pokoti ajokia mbecha iwete nacio turekeria Samburu bajokia mbecha iwete nacio ibo kwenda mutuma atogerera mbecha iu ibo kwenda etarete na ukwa national government kira kiregeto mutuma onto ithinke ito to mutuma kira ruto athagana gento geto kira kire nao muonia ni na njara kwa mutuma okeja kuigwa muntu gukoria na ate okuthithia na au eguru mwera koria baroaji iba ba automatic wetete nao otendere ba wethere na destination ni anto ba kamati gotendera ba wethere tete Nairobi ora wetete Nairobi no uo kamati mutuma gwata steering ito to gakonia na ara wetete na bau ba koria bera koria ni baroaji era ba koria baroaji ito to gotoma na ukere ruto okomba ko muonka mero mwanke chao ka konenkira biwo kwenda muonke onka kende ke ando chao kamera mwacha uke otoretra biu bikogeta bire nau John Teune mbecha chieto dafa hakuna mtu akona haki ya kukusumbua wewe ni kiongozi ambaye tumetuma tulete vyetu vilivyoko huko tonto boya gita toteja to na negoroto kiuma badeu ikeje rajo goroto kedhanira market. Thank you so much.
Makofi kwa Rais Nick briefly mkaribisha na makofi.
Asante. Akirisa tuitengo cha mwadhani. Bwana asifiwe. Tueregana na bwerera ndaye kwa nkoma. Ndego eta kwa morungu totonana. Oni ndethera rome bonde nkoma. Nandona ntomorome oroko aria mano mwe. No Yesu Kristo. Botambene mwekoro weta kawera. Mtado kimotwe. Kabotona ina ande bombitano. Gavana ndono kere. Nkomanere kojokia. Yo karagete kamo unjia teu. Yamberia kodoma madhae komi edoma opposite. Na ndingate reverend into idinkia. Mokeri morungu. Bena njike ikenoti mokeri morungu. Na ororonga merete sibitare eje. Ibo kona laga kweno tuetete. Gavana nzekera. Lero ke aja maguta jaja kuombe tekerie. Nondo ndekwana bara tore baba geta kwa nkoma mbeta kwa nkoma. Kwenda weta kwa morungu bombaga. Gavana ito neunda kwera. Au ange gavana mbuga ibwega. Nondo bako gwata makasi njara. Manto jabo kodithia narua twageriria gekunda twaremo. Gekunda aringerwa kura aitango gya Jerema. Oni ndaringerwa ndageria gwita yarema. Ndome jaja yaringa jaire jatatu mwanka yone kama endereo naretete. Gavana ngogeje twamegererie mianke 15 erema. Na makasi ibwega ninterwa na agwe kaire na nyawage kundo karwa makasi kaire ora mwathani athure ti oteri omukararie na nyano ndo igwana gwitie goro makasi nto kararia kaire na gwa wonora ndekwa into ithinkia okarenya gwa wentega abwaga ngwitaira ngogende au na igwe inyago njoni wona ndatetheka ngakubagana njara ende rondo nyani mbathekerete makasi inyani njoni ombathekere kena ngutetera au angambuga ntwa ithinkia
kwe boda TV ni otuko otu enwe akaugwa otejaga saudimenti kabo kwende ja thidiate narare kegare necho naruare aja narende narente mwene itware kaguru naja kaguru kaire no kainkobo borenda thidiate ntoithinkia ngoge no Twitter na kwera totwera kuthidia cinema tokeja na makobokobo na mirengeti ogo na ruinda wo tureterete ria twejaga aja tweja na roro tomatoki twakoroka tukariria ndo kienine ogo na arua wo tonya room imwe okiaragia no kira gwa thina chietu oni nyante na chio kwera nundu baba bweri kwera na ogweto gwatenya twana nande nyoranda kuranga chiara moja ngamweta ntoithinkia no kwigwa na nonto ndienda kuga baiti ndene town ya Nkobo erare meta municipality kuma 1970 ojo atotonyithia nyomba twakarante ngogere mete anene bonde na mwankana netete kuthira sendi ya Nkobo netete otothithiria dai twetete kauba ukurugura kirasi no kwigwa na ratweja mete bataraisa ni ejere mbeo itoraerwe ntwaithinkinge tokwenda kigwe au angekera Nkoboromba murombereni ende gutwitira ngoge na tukamuthura uria totejo keiteto nenkara bato aete kiende twanenkanere imenti kena kiraito twanenkanara jaire kena kawera pesa sawa kia choki anenkano atigania kemunya odai kiarare regembe no thina yauma kamero iraumera ijere twaithinkia thaithi giteto gakunenkera na totenenkane anuntu boimenti kanegembe tukanenkane anuntu ogano kurita ngoge ere kwendeka twaithinkia kwenda kaite gukiriara twaithinkia ngaba twaithinkia kendeke William Ruto yes wega nikina Mheshimiwa His Excellency ndakure nyani kiburu ngariria we nyani kana ni hata bukona so munene politiki ni kiatharo bikirite chiringi 1 million John ni board member ya kuthirikiria ngugire ara ko ngugiwe kathira dwe muno na ere turari rongoro kikari His Excellency ndurerwa mantu ndagachemukia bridge ni agwatane ya rongoro turari na rongoro tafadhali wikira flagship ngorombo ndikane kana hata bukuwa jeshi mantu bakunira rongoro na ndeso ntiade muno kwa prime ndagacha kwa prime tayari ndina becha ngagwetwa commission ndagacha ndegere becha kwa ndagacheu yewe tayari so nango nyingiro Twitter His Excellency tinda gochokera na staff na wengejo bone buguita nguginje sana. I'm very happy of you, I'm very proud of this hospital na ngugira buguita na mbondi yonde na bandaktari ibo kama unaona sisi antubana achore bakwa bwana gavana baba Rutondo baba ni achore bakwa para verendi ona kintu tukabanga nabo minta pangana naona kama utapata kitu inaweza wasaidia pia wasaidie ibo kani na jaja makai murungu na budali sana na murungu kidali mantu bai bako itu murungu inyama kazi ni wakumurika ni mudali meza.
Asante. Thank you Mheshimiwa Makasi muringire iro ya mbere mpandi njio kwa kanya kandaike mwato kethia mzee Kinoti ira nto ba muga aki
Bwana asifiwe nyango shokire mwathani nkatho no ntubanga bano turiongira no tukyo kuromba no tutukaragaru ne twarombo chore mbere mana cibitari ye na tukuwa bila bukwenda bionde matutiyete kuwa mbere antu tukaharia bia kinyaja uyo tukaharia na mkwendo bwera tutetega muntu orare ye tugataka mathido jae jawe na tunakwambia asante sana gavana na kura tutakupea saudimenti. Asante sana, thank you.
Asante nara tukurigaru ne chairman Kinoti ya kundomba into Kithumba bombere andromba non to staff bond ni andegetia number of staff in this hospital and the biranda ibua immediately we can respond to one ni ati cibitari driver mwe twinwe ruyo driver akethira areaja na inyoke nda bairi bathatu ati botena accountant staff batari wa muno barabandiki ni board nonto accountant ya umana arake noro akeya kubusainira mbecha aja ruyo bokethira bwena accountant in this hospital procurement officer na nyawe tukabonenkera in this hospital. Some of these are very simple things. Tesa wasawa? So, boya, wateiro wetu karibishe ndinji. Mwaikoro mudhomu, deputy umume, wakili, akethi antuba mikumbune. Bute tayari? Karibu ndinji 1, 2, 3 twende. Jua, kata.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Governor wetu, Reverend Isaac Mutumanto Ethinkia, Heshimiwa Bonde Barabareaja, Representative Sekinyabaka, Senator Kadhuri, as well as CCs beto, Aritinguge Badirikari, our CHPs, Mandaktari, na Antobeto Mikombone. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Mwadhani no mwega? Amagita jonde. Mono na arua nonto governor wetu ago commission theater. Theater already nedidite surgery zijere. Hii theater inasaidia watu wa nani? Sini watu wetu wa hapa Mikombone. Na gavana wetu leo amesema lazima akuje officially I flag off ndio aweze kusimamilia ile maneno ambayo inaendelea kwa hii hospitali. Na tunakushukuru Your Excellency. Sababu wewe unalala, unaota, watu wa Meru wanapata theater. Unalala, unaota, hospitali zetu zinapata dawa. Na tumekuja hapa Your Excellency, umeinspect stores na umeweza kuona ya kuwa zile dawa ambazo ulipeana wameweza kufika hapa, na pia board ya hospitali imeweza kuensure watu wetu wako na dawa. Tunashukuru tena Your Excellency, sababu katika hii hospitali sasa wamama wetu wanaweza jifungua ambao wanafanyiwa surgeries, na already surgeries 2 zimefanyiwa katika hii theater ambaye iko hapa. Tunashukuru Your Excellency. Kwanza pia tena sana hii hospitali management ambayo iko imeweza kuendeleza hospitali kwa njia ambayo inafaa. Ina employ wa vijana wetu wanaweza kupata kazi, na pia CHPs wetu asanteni sana kwa ile kazi ambayo mnafanya. Registration ya SHA imepanda juu, tunashukuru sana, na ni kupitia hiyo pesa ambayo inapatikana kutoka registration ya SHA ambayo hospitali zetu zinaweza kupata pesa ya kununua madawa zaidi, ya kuajiri watu wetu zaidi, vijana wetu waweze kupata kazi, na hospitali yetu iweze kuendelea vizuri. Tunashukuru Your Excellency. Orengu gani atirianto beto. Batu na arwa tochokere mwathani nkatho nyingi muno. Nonto gavana wetu arerara karota anto beto bakona mbeu. Utakinyero imbeu. Mbeu ekaua. Saturday na flagere of 160,000 mbeu ekaua ireka distributor ndene Meru County. Already na nenkanirete mbeu ya mpempe ambayo imeenda kwa wakulima wetu. Achoka nenkanira mbeu ya makadamia na mbeu ya avocado. Tukuanda narua, tukuanda avocado, na no tuanda avocado gavana wetu aliuga waanda muti jurajo komba igwita matunda. Ikenda ana betu narua rojo auke bethera bakiona matunda jo na bakireja bwega. Tugucokeria nkatho Your Excellency. No ntuba kwetherwa aja narua meario iria ya arua ni meario ya unity. No ntuba unity iria oretete ndene Meru County. Thai no kuwa Mheshimiwa Makasi ibagwatanirete rutere rwao amwe na Nick amwe na former councillor uria wario ni nonto example iria Your Excellency okuonia atongeria betu ni example enjaga, ni example iria batere kwithro ikiona na wakire anto bangi bombe na abwe anto betu baimenti batwe kukurukira gete kia deputy governor itukuona matunda zo tongeria bwa governor wetu, na governor wetu ibwije no umete gembe na ndiboromba anto betu baimenti 2027 nonto bango geria governor wetu agwita ito mogwate mbaru to mogwate njara ikenda ombo karera getegeke tumunenkera tambio kura twamunenkera kura 2027 twetekanerie egembe bare gekundi nacho tukarinthia urutere rwawe turi antu ba imenti ko twashwe gavana imenti tuketha twimunenkaira kura ni tutam nyabara benara nyuma itutam na tugakaria na Ruto president wetu Ruto no itutam no tunato nenkerete thaka yetu kithure Kindiki are deputy president kana i president uri kongi otore atojokiria muthaka wetu na aja Meru kwe wonge na ipo kuigora bagwita ngoge na gavana wetu obire akomwetia na akomunenkera na ndia tobaye support amona mheshimiwa Makasi na wetu ugailong mheshimiwa Makasi mbio na mheshimiwa wetu na itete ngoge njaga sana. We appreciate you ibwega na mwathani ya kutharime na eno nto atokuthiria your excellency mbetekeria tokuinere karwimbo tu kidogo. We are fast learners too na ende mutumane wetu kwenda atweke nchamba yetu narwa ende aya ende mutumane wetu kwenda atweke nchamba yetu narwa ende haya ende mutumane wetu kwenda atweke nchamba yetu narwa ende. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Ndio bagweta na rangi kaubao. Tunashukuru sana. So, atolekeria, thank you very much. Soro ambidiwe. Yes. Makasi na rerie. Gatorombe. Ndibwega mwathani no ntubagutura takikaone.